everyone, welcome back to my channel Vietnamese with Kim, and today we are going to learn about the last tone in the Vietnamese language. It's called the heavy tone and it's also known as dấu nặng in Vietnamese. It starts low and then drops off the cliff very heavy. So now let's practice with some common words. Are you ready? Let's start. Lạ, lạ. Bạn, bạn. Mặn, mặn. Ngọt, ngọt. Nặng, nặng. And now take a look at some sentences. Bạn thật thân thiện. Bạn thật thân thiện. It means you are really friendly. And the next one is mẹ mua 1 ký gạo. Mẹ mua 1 ký gạo. It means my mom bought 1 kilogram of rice. My mom bought 1 kilogram of rice. That's all for this video. Remember to practice by yourself and improve your Vietnamese. Thank you for watching. See ya!